What is augmented reality and how is it different from virtual reality? Let's start with defining the two terms. Augmented comes from augment, which means to make something greater by adding to it or simply to increase. Reality is what you see around you with your eyes or phones with cameras. The first uses of augmented reality was in the display for a fighter pilot as far back as the 90s. Augmented reality added a layer of useful information to the pilot's view of reality, which enabled him to view vital information without having to look down. This kind of technology is now available for smartphones where you can see information about the world around you. How does it work? Let's say you're walking the streets of a city and you come across an amazing building. What is this building? Who was the architect? You hold your smartphone up and look at the building through the phone's camera. After figuring out where you are, the application searches the internet and in a couple of seconds it has identified the building and even leads you to a page with more information about the building. You saw how augmented reality added a layer of digital information over the real world. But how is augmented reality different from virtual reality? Let's look at an example. In the case of virtual reality, by putting a headset over your eyes, you can be on Mars while standing where you are. So you will be standing on Mars and will see the surface of Mars when you look around. Virtual reality leaves you blind to reality and represents your presence elsewhere, in this case, Mars. On the other hand, augmented reality does not change your context. It only takes your current reality and adds something to it. Therefore, with augmented reality, you will see Mars overlaid on the wall of your room. The possibilities with augmented reality are endless. Find restaurants, compare products, play games, and try clothes. Welcome to the future.